Today is the day to celebrate the victory of truth. Today is the day to celebrate the victory of non-violence.
On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, the birthday of our beloved Bapu, the Consul General of India Dubai pays tribute to the father of our nation by hosting a culturally rich event this evening.
Gandhiji's relevance or memory springs from various aspects. For us Indians, he is of course special, but also the Afro-Asian world, which drew inspiration from him and respectively for African countries to achieve freedom. He was an inspiration. And he's part of the World Heritage, and I say that he's part of the World Heritage because even the UN recognizes his birthday as an international day, and he's often quoted and he's referred to in speeches by world leaders in different countries. So I think the society does acknowledge that if there is an icon for peace in the modern world, the biggest one is Mahatma Gandhi.
The event was packed with a variety of performances ranging from musical conversation, bhajans and Carnatic compositions by renowned artists. Gandhiji's life was taken as an inspiration and brought to life on canvas.
I am an architect by profession, practicing since more than 40 years. And since last about 7-8 years, I have started paintings. Somehow, I tried many things, but whenever I have done Gandhiji's paintings, they have come beautiful and which are really appreciated much. And Gandhiji has always remained my ideal.
Gandhiji had actually had a very, very inspiring life for many of us, and I think Gandhiji used to love music and used to convey most of his messages through music. He used to have this prayer meeting, if I'm not wrong, and he used to sing out these bhajans, which used to inspire many people, and which is still inspiring in this current world. So I think music helps a lot in conveying the message of Gandhiji's life.
I feel Gandhiji's teachings are absolutely timeless, universal. Simple things like tolerance or to be true to your own self, I find it very, very appealing even today.
I am Gandhi. I continue to live in you, and you.
Events like such will surely keep the memory of Gandhi and his teachings alive and pass it on to the next generation. With camera person Zubair Ahsan, this is Shirin Parvez for Manipal Dubai TV.